Introducing the all-new Rheem ProTerra Hybrid Electric Water Heater. We didn't just make it easy for plumbers to install and service, we also made it easy to sell. That's because it offers homeowners savings today and savings tomorrow in the form of a $300 federal tax credit, utility rebates, and up to $480 a year in energy cost savings. The new hybrid also offers homeowners smart features that make competitors' so-called smart water heaters seem average in comparison. For starters, the hybrid features built-in EcoNet wireless technology. The EcoNet app lets users monitor and control the hybrid remotely, checking energy usage, adjusting water temperature, and more. Plus, with its hot water availability indicator, users can check to see if there's enough hot water before jumping in the shower. Systematic health checks proactively communicate water heater performance, including compressor and element health, alerting of any problems. And the ProTerra Hybrid with Leak Guard model is the only heat pump water heater with integrated leak detection and auto water shutoff. If it detects any water leak, large or small, internal or external, it shuts off the flow of water and limits the leak to 20 ounces to protect the home. At the same time, it alerts the homeowner audibly at the unit and remotely via the EcoNet app. Customizable scheduling allows homeowners to schedule around peak electricity rates to save on power bills. It features 5 operating modes to maximize energy savings, including Energy Saver, which optimizes operation for low energy usage, Heat Pump Only, which runs only the super high efficiency heat pump, High Demand, which favors hot water output over energy savings, Electric Only, which operates like a standard electric water heater, and Vacation Mode, which keeps the water at a low temperature to save energy while the homeowner is away. And even with all that intelligence, it's still easy to use. The all-new Rheem ProTerra Hybrid. It offers savings today and savings tomorrow.
Setting the water temperature in the bathroom to the exact degree. Why would you need to do that? For the perfect temperature when washing hands or showering. Simply set the temperature on the eInstantaneous water heater or via the Smart Control app. Individual user profiles can also be set up, since every person has their own preferences. And the best thing about it all is that the water flows at the desired temperature immediately, without you having to wait, allowing you to daydream, come up with great ideas, sing your favorite song, or simply relax and enjoy. Do you want to get more from your shower experience? Enjoy greater convenience and fewer costs. The new DSX Touch eInstantaneous Water Heater. Claggy. Simply efficient.
Wouldn't it be great to never run out of hot water? Meet the all-new line of electric tankless water heaters from Emax. Now you can eliminate the risks that come with conventional heaters and enjoy endless hot water wherever and whenever you need it. With Emax, the water is heated instantly, rather than throughout the day like a traditional tank. And with no tank, there's none of the risks associated with rust. That's why our heaters have an average 20-year lifespan, while other heaters only last 10 to 15. Pretty great, right? With so many great benefits, it'll be easy to love your new tankless water heater. Let's take a quick look at a few of the biggest advantages. You'll save on energy. Emax heaters are certified to 99% thermal energy efficiency, far exceeding the efficiency of tanks or other technologies. You'll spend less money. This better technology and greater efficiency means that you can save up to 50% on your water heating costs per month. Our patented self-modulating technology only uses the necessary amount of energy to heat the water needed, nothing more. You'll waste less space. Emax tankless water heaters are up to 90% smaller than a water heater tank, letting you put them just about anywhere you need hot water without sacrificing space for storage. Best of all, you'll get endless hot water. Because our proven design heats water directly, you're no longer limited by your tank's capacity. That means no more cold showers ever again. All of these factors and more come together to create a big impact that's good for you and good for the environment. Now is the time to evolve beyond the old standard and move to the new. Tankless water heaters are the right choice for the future. Bring an Emax electric tankless water heater into your home today. We're Emax, and we make hot water solutions easy for you.
The compact, powerful Boschtronic Series Whole House Electric Tankless Water Heaters can be installed almost anywhere in the home. They provide hot water at 97% efficiency with virtually no standby heat loss as with traditional tank-type water heaters. Tronic Tankless Series units have modulating heating elements to ensure a constant temperature output to supply comfortable hot water to sinks, bathrooms, wet bars, patio kitchens, or nearly anywhere that's supplied with a cold water line. Tronic Tankless Series units may be conveniently installed in a closet, utility room, in a basement, or close to the point of use. As hot water is called for, Tronic Tankless heaters instantaneously heat the water. Because it's tankless, the Tronic Tankless stores no hot water in a tank, so only a cold water line connection is required. And it requires no valuable floor space. Tronic Tankless heaters are available in 3 sizes: 17 kilowatt, 27 kilowatt, or 36 kilowatt, all with 97% thermal efficiency and offer a 5-year limited warranty. For homes, businesses, garage apartments, in-law suites, anywhere hot water is needed without the hassle of a bulky, energy-wasting hot water tank, the smart solution is the Boschtronic Electric Whole House Tankless Water Heater.